Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. We are here for day 17 of our Vlogtober challenge. We are on week 3. Our challenge for this week is to share one new 0 to 4 point snack each day. So let's get straight to the snacking and let me show you what I'm having today. You'll have to excuse this because it is well used. Have any of you guys ever seen this before? This, my friends, is the here's the lid, microwave popcorn maker. It's just a silicone bowl, and then it has a lid that sits right in here. All you do is put your popcorn kernels in here and pop it in the microwave, and it is so easy, and it is a good filling snack. So the way this works, I just grab a bag of popcorn kernels, and like I said, you throw them in the bowl. It is 1 point for 1 tablespoon of popcorn kernels. Guys, 4 tablespoons fills this up, plus some. I mean, not tons. I mean, it still sits in there, but this is a decent sized bowl. So it is a very filling snack. And then to make it even better, because you know Chaos Jen can't have plain Jane popcorn, I like to spray it with some of this popcorn butter, just a little bit, and it's 0 points. And then I add popcorn flavoring. Now, WW does have their own popcorn flavoring. In fact, they have an entire popcorn kit that you can buy, and they are really, really good. But mine are all gone, and I just have the ones that I picked up from the store. So, here I have chili lime, cheesy jalapeno, and then garlic parmesan. And I'm all out of my all-time favorite one, which... can you guys guess what that might be? I've posted it on Facebook and I've talked about it on YouTube a couple times, I'm sure. Dill pickle. Guys, dill pickle flavored popcorn is the best. It is my favorite. And then my next favorite, I think, would be the chili lime. So there you go. Low point snack. You can make it as many points as you want. Like I said, 1 tablespoon of popcorn kernels is 1 point. So easy peasy and super filling. What did you guys have for snack today? Let me know down in the comments. And while you're thinking about what you want to tell me, I'm going to go ahead and put on my glasses and get ready to read you some of our snack facts for today. All right, you guys leave it down in the comments for me. I love hearing what you guys are eating, or you can leave it over at Suzy from Suzy's Health Journeys Facebook page. I will link her YouTube channel and her Facebook group down below, so that way you guys can go over there and check them out. She is teaming up with us for this Vlogtober challenge, and guys, if you are not a member of her YouTube family or her Facebook page, you got to get over there because she offers some fantastic support for weight loss. Okay, let's look at these snacks. So I am on a website. It is called health.harvard.edu. And I know, I haven't done tons of research to determine whether all of these are true or not. But I'm just looking for various tidbits of information to share with you guys. And this is called Staying Healthy, 7 Ways to Snack Smarter. I don't know that I'll read all 7 of them, but we can read a couple of them. Number 1. Go for the grain. Whole grain snacks can give you some energy with staying power. Try some whole grain low salt pretzels or tortilla chips or a serving of high fiber cereals. Number 2, bring back breakfast. Many breakfast foods can be repurposed as a nutritious snack later in the day, which I do that, guys. You know, I like to eat my protein bars for breakfast, but if I'm feeling really snacky or just having a day where I know I need more protein, I will grab one of those and eat it for a snack, and it does really make a difference in my energy levels. How about a slice of whole grain toast topped with low sugar jam? Low sugar granola also makes a quick snack. And then number 3, we'll just do 3 for today and then we'll catch up on some more tomorrow. Try a high-low combination. Combine a small amount of something with a healthy fat like peanut butter with a larger amount of something very light like apple slices or celery sticks. Very cool. All right, guys, let me know what you're finding for your healthy snack facts down below as well. Or, like I said before, you can leave them over at Suzy's Facebook page as well. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I will see you tomorrow for snack day number 4.